Today, I'm going to guide you step by step through how to manually set your existing contacts as marketing contacts in HubSpot. Whether you want to launch an email campaign, track engagement, or simply get organized, knowing exactly how to make sure your contacts are set for marketing is essential. And you'll walk away from this tutorial feeling confident that you've set things up the right way without missing a beat. Let's dive straight in. First, fire up HubSpot and head over to your contacts page. To do that, navigate within your dashboard by clicking on CRM, then Contacts. This should bring up your full contact list. Think of it as your digital address book, holding everyone you might want to connect with for marketing purposes. Sometimes, if you have a lot of contacts, this can feel a bit overwhelming, but don't worry. HubSpot's interface is built to keep things simple and sorted. Now, let's talk about selecting which contacts you actually want to mark as marketing contacts. You'll notice handy checkboxes next to each individual contact. Just click those to pick and choose manually. However, if you're working with a larger group, you can take advantage of HubSpot's filters or any saved views you might already have. For example, maybe you want to target people who subscribed in the past month, or only those from a specific region. You can filter accordingly and select everyone at once. This step is crucial because only the contacts you pick will receive your marketing outreach. So take a moment to make sure you've got the right folks selected. Remember, you're shaping your audience here, so be thoughtful. Misclicking could mean someone receives updates they didn't sign up for, or someone misses out entirely. Next up, look at the top of the contact list. You'll see a More drop-down menu. This is your gateway to several actions. Go ahead and click it. If you're on a free trial, there's a small but important note. You might not directly see the Set as Marketing Contacts option. Don't let that trip you up. Instead, you can click to add a new view and name it something like Marketing Contacts. It's a workaround that helps you keep track, even if some options are hidden behind the paywall. Once you do see Set as Marketing Contacts, click that option. This is the step where you're telling HubSpot, hey, these people are going to be part of my marketing campaigns, so treat them that way. Think of this like tagging your best leads with a VIP badge. They'll get the full experience of your newsletters, updates, and offers. After you hit the action, HubSpot will prompt you with a confirmation dialog box. You'll need to enter the number of contacts you've selected. This is just a safety check to make sure you're not accidentally updating too many or too few. The confirmation button might read something like Set X Contacts, with the X replaced by your chosen number. Take a breath here, double-check those numbers, and click to finalize. This part is quick, but it's important to confirm that everything lines up as you intended. And that's all there is to it. With just a handful of steps, you've successfully set your contacts as marketing ready, opening the door for more targeted communications and better analytics. If any part of this felt confusing, don't worry, it's totally normal to double back and repeat steps as you get the hang of it. Thanks so much for joining me today. If you found this helpful, be sure to hit that like button and drop a comment below if you have any questions or run into any tricky parts. I'm always happy to help out. And if you want more tutorials to master HubSpot or other marketing tools, don't forget to subscribe so you won't miss our next walkthrough. See you in the next video.